Find the least common denominator for the list of fractions. r plus 1 over 2r squared plus 7r plus 6, and negative 2r plus 1 over 2r squared minus 7r minus 15. So we want to focus in on these denominators, determine a least common denominator, and to do so we need to factor each of those denominators. Let's start with our first one, 2r squared plus 7r plus 6. If that factors, we'll factor as the product of two binomials. The leading terms must be 2r and r. And factors of positive 6 that will work in here are a plus 3 and a plus 2. Quickly checking our inner and outer products, 3r plus 4r gives this middle term of 7r. So that's correct. Now let's look at our second denominator, which is 2r squared minus 7r minus 15. And if that factors, it will factor as the product of two binomials, where the leading terms here are 2r and r. Now we want factors of negative 15 that will work. Let's use a positive 3 and a minus 5. Quickly checking, 3r minus 10r gives our middle term of negative 7r, so that's correct. Now, our lowest common denominator is going to include every factor that we see here along with its largest exponent. We see a factor of 2r plus 3. We'll only include that one time because it's included one time in each of the above factorizations. We also see a factor of r plus 2 as well as a factor of r minus 5. So our lowest common denominator in this case is 2r plus 3 times r plus 2 times r minus 5.